TE Connectivity miniature IP67 sealed wire-to-wire connectors are designed for use in outdoor lighting, commercial refrigeration lighting, kitchen appliances, HVAC equipment, and other high humidity applications. The connectors use a compact design while still providing protection against dust and immersion. They accommodate 22 to 18 gauge wires and are available with 2 or 3 positions. Rubber seals are pre-assembled to reduce installation time, and connectors are available in black, red, and white to facilitate identification and correct assembly. TE Connectivity miniature IP67 sealed wire-to-wire connectors are rated for up to 5 amps and 400 volts AC, and they have an operating temperature range of -40 to +105 degrees Celsius.